All right, welcome. This is week 14 homework solution. Here you have Wednesday, November 6th. All right, so number one, a square has a side length of 7 centimeters. We're looking for the perimeter, then the area. So what is a square? Let's look. This is almost a square. And they say that the value here is 7 centimeters. Okay, the side length is 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters. And all the sides for a square are the same, so that's also 7 meters. That is also 7 centimeters. And to the left is also 7 meters. So the perimeter is when you add all of them together. So what is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7? That is 28 centimeters. The area is just length times width. So it's just 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Again, those are just the formulas. Okay? So, next, the table. Do you need the formula? Do you really need the formula? Here, let me give you the formula. The perimeter for the sides of a square is just 4 times s. Or you could write P is equal to S plus S plus S plus S. All right? There's multiple ways. Okay? That's also a valid formula. Okay? Let me see where I can drop the formula. Can I drop the formula? Uh, you know what? Let me just drop it here, and I can just move it up. Right? S plus S. Okay. So it can be that or this. And also the area is defined by the area is equal to S multiplied by the S. That looks weird. So where's the dot? Is there a dot? Yeah, there's really no dot. That's the closest I can get to an area formula. Okay. So here will be 7 times 7 gets you 49. Here, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 28. Or 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. Next, the table on the graph shows the perimeter and area of a square with the different side lengths. So here are their different sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's the perimeter and here's the area. Alright, describe the function representing the relationship between the perimeter and the side. Very easy. We can just look at the deltas. Okay. Let's see how it's changing. Alright, so here we can look at the, look at the deltas here. And it looks like it's adding by 1. So you see it's side length, so we could just say this is delta S, delta sides. The delta side is changing by plus 1. Next one, this is perimeter, so we could just say it's delta Y. No, delta P. So this looks like it's plus 4, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 4. 12 to 16 plus 4. So delta P, right? Delta perimeter is plus 4. And what color can we make that? You want to go purple? Yeah, let's go. No, let's make this green. Area, so we can use delta A. This looks like it's add 3. This looks like 4 to 9 is add 5. 9 to 16 is add 7. 16 to 25 is 9. Huh. Delta A is what? Not. Okay. You can't get anything here. It's not consistent. So here you would write it is not. It is what? It is the area. There is no constant change. Okay, there's no constant change in terms of addition, right? There is a weird multiplication with it. Okay, I would give you that. So describe the function representing the relation between the perimeter and the square of the function represent. Yeah, it's very simple. This one looks linear, and it is linear. It's going straight. All right. So we would say this one is the perimeter and the side length. This is linear. And the area and side length, it is as simple as writing non-linear. There you go. That's it. That's all. That's Wednesday's homework solution. Take care.